Dear children, today we are discussing about the lesson Essence of Change.
Okay, which is the energy used to operate a mixer grinder? Do you remember? Electric energy. Electric energy is the energy used to operate a mixer grinder. We have seen that electric energy changed into different forms of energy. Which forms of energy? Sound energy, heat energy and mechanical energy. Energy can be transformed from one form to another. Energy can be transformed from one form to another. What do you mean by mechanical energy? Electrical energy or the energy produced by burning fuels is used to make an engine work and in turn to make an engine parts move. Working of an engine involving mechanical energy. Working of an engine involves mechanical energy. Mechanical energy enables vehicles to move. Mechanical energy enables vehicles to move. What do you mean by chemical energy? The energy contained in a substance is chemical energy. Energy contained in a substance is chemical energy. All substance contain chemical energy. Energy contained in a substance is chemical energy. All substance contain chemical energy. Okay? Plants convert solar energy into chemical energy. Plants convert solar energy into chemical energy through photosynthesis. We already learned about photosynthesis. Plants convert solar energy into chemical energy through photosynthesis. While burning the firewood, we get chemical energy. While burning the firewood, we get chemical energy stored up in the woods, plants. Okay? Animals get this chemical energy through their food. Animals get this chemical energy through their food. How do vehicles that run on petrol and diesel depend on the sun for energy? Do you know? Haven't you learned about fossil fuels? Here a flow chart is given. Let's read a flow chart.
Sun, plants and animals, fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, which are they? Coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG. Coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG.
Hence, how often do we use energy changes in daily life? Let's try to tabulate a few domestic uses of energy.
Bulb glowing. Energy conversions taking place. Electric energy changed into light energy and heat energy. Working an electric motor to pump water. Here electric energy changed into mechanical energy, heat energy and sound energy. Lighting a matchstick. Chemical energy changed into heat energy, light energy and sound energy. Working a mixer grinder. Electrical energy changed into mechanical energy, heat energy and sound energy. Listening to the news on a radio. Electrical energy changed into sound energy. Listening to the news on a television. Electrical energy changed into light energy and sound energy. working an iron box. Electrical energy changed into heat energy.
What are the forms of energy we use more often in our daily life? Electrical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy and mechanical energy. Which are they? Electrical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy and mechanical energy. To make the maximum use of energy, energy loss in appliances should be minimized. Okay, to make maximum use of energy, energy loss in appliances should be minimized. Okay, you might be familiar with the various activities carried out using a generator. Identify the forms of energy used.
Fuel burns. Chemical energy. A generator working. Mechanical energy. A generator working. 3 forms of energy. Heat energy, mechanical energy, sound energy. Here, heat energy and sound energy not used. Only mechanical energy used. Mechanical energy changed into electrical energy. Electrical energy, a mixer grinder working, fan working, a bulb glowing. In the mixer grinder working, mechanical energy used. Only mechanical energy used. Sound energy and heat energy not used. A fan working. Mechanical energy used. Heat energy and sound energy not used. A bulb glowing. Light energy used. Heat energy not used.
Okay, all of you look here, examine the pictures. Here we can see 3 pictures. In first picture, which form of energy is used? In the first picture, chemical energy is changed into heat energy and light energy. In the first picture, chemical energy is changed into heat energy and light energy. Look at the second picture. Here, chemical energy is changed into light energy, heat energy and sound energy. Light energy, heat energy and sound energy. In the third picture, we can see chemical energy is changed into light energy and heat energy. Light energy and heat energy. We have understood that there are different situations where one form of energy transforms into other forms of energy. One form of energy transforms into other forms of energy. What is the change that takes place in the substance when it receives energy? Try to do an experiment and write down your observations. Take some ice cubes in a beaker and heat it as shown in the picture. What changes do you observe? When the solid, that means ice, is heated, it melts at a particular temperature and changed into liquid, that is water. Liquid status, that is water. Solid changed into liquid. Solid ice, it heats, is changed into melt into water. Liquid states, what is water? The liquid on further heating is changed into gaseous state, that is water vapor. The liquid further heating is changed into gaseous state, that is water vapor. On cooling the water vapor, liquid water is formed first and then it is converted into ice. Okay, here a flow chart is given. Look at the flow chart and understand how heat affects the changes of states of water. Okay, changes of state of water. Ice cube absorbs heat and changed into water. Water absorbs heat and changed into steam. Steam releases heat
changed into water. Water releases heat and changed into ice cube.
Is energy absorbed or released when steam is changed into water and then into ice? Energy is released. Which among the three states has the maximum amount of energy? Steam. Which among the three states has the maximum amount of energy? Steam. Which state has the minimum amount of energy? Ice. Minimum amount of energy? Ice. Maximum amount of energy? Steam.
Okay, look at the table. Examine the situation, some of the situations of our daily life given in the table. Analyze the table. Find out the peculiarities of the changes.
Heating solid heat. Melts. Cutting vegetables becomes smaller pieces. Heating a PVC pipe expands. Heating wax melts. Tearing paper becomes smaller pieces. Breaking a bottle becomes smaller pieces. Heating lac melts. Crumbling paper changes shape.
What do you mean by physical change? Change in the physical properties such as state, shape or size is termed as physical change. Change in the physical properties such as state, shape or size is termed as physical change. Expansion, melting, breaking, tearing, etc. all are physical change. No new substances are formed during physical change. Okay, no new substances are formed during physical change. Are all changes are physical changes? What do you mean by permanent change? Take some sugar in a spoon and take some wax in another spoon. Heat both the spoons using a spirit lamp. What occurs while heating wax and sugar? Look at the table. Here we can see the difference between wax and sugar. What became after heating we can see here. Okay.
When wax is heated, absorbs heat, melts, no change to the color, no new substance is formed. When sugar is heated, absorbs heat, melts, changes color, new substances are formed.
Here we can see the change in the sugar is permanent. We can't convert that thing into sugar. The process in which substances change into new substances by absorbing or releasing energy is known as chemical change. What do we mean by chemical change? A process in which substances change into new substances by absorbing or releasing energy is known as chemical change. A large number of chemical change take place every day in the human body as well as in nature. Okay, the process in which substances change into new substances by absorbing or releasing energy is known as chemical change. A large number of chemical change take place every day in the human body as well as in nature. Example for the chemical energies are cooked rice tastes sweet when chewed for some time. Mangoes ripen. Okay, cooked rice sweet when chewed for some time. Mangoes ripen. Okay children, let's do some worksheets.
which is the chemical change indicated in the picture. The picture indicates the process of preparing starch by the green plants. The green pigments of the leaves of plants produce starch using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Write the energy change during the chemical change. In the reaction, light energy is converted into chemical energy.
Observe the given picture. What are the physical changes that can be identified from the picture? Water absorbs heat energy and gets converted into water vapor. Water vapor gets condensed to form clouds. Clouds cool down and rain is formed. Prepare a list of physical and chemical changes that take place in a kitchen on a day. Chemical change: LPG burns, lighting a matchstick, rice dough ferments, milk change into curd, fruits ripen, food items get damaged. Physical change: boiling of water, water kept in the freezer is changed into ice, wax melt when a candle burns, breaking a roasted puppet, ghee melts, cutting vegetables into pieces.
Let's make an ice doll. How can you utilize the change of states of matter in the following situations? Making the model of an egg using wax. It is possible to make a model of an egg by pouring molten wax into the shell of an egg. The eggshell is removed by breaking it after the wax has cooled. Next situation, suspending an ice ball using a thread. A thread is passed through an ice cream ball. Carefully, it is filled with water and kept upright in the freezer of a refrigerator. By removing the ice cream ball, we can get an ice ball with the thread. Now we can suspend it. Next situation, making wax dolls. A hole is made at the head of a plastic doll. Molten wax is poured through it so that wax fills the whole part of the doll. Allow to cool. When wax gets cooled, remove the plastic part using a knife. What is meant by physical change? Change in physical properties such as state, shape or size is termed as physical change. No new substances are formed during physical changes. Expansion, melting, breaking, tearing, etc. are physical changes. Butter is heated to get ghee. That's an example for physical change. PVC pipe is heated to get expanded section.